Icom Incorporated is a technical organization that has always aggressively developed new technology and has continuously provided products that have been technically innovative and ahead of their time in the industry. The Icom technology that has represented each era has contributed enormously to the advancement of wireless communication. Icom's history began with the development of amateur radio products that freely utilized high-frequency technology. From these beginnings, Icom has branched out into the fields of land mobile radio, marine radio, communications receivers and air-band radio. Icom has garnered a loyal following and high reputation in each of these fields, and today is a recognized brand worldwide as one of the biggest radio manufacturing companies in the world. Icom's land mobile radio products are used in various professional settings in Japan and all over the world, such as for building security, public safety, sports stadiums and ceremony and event sites. Icom's products conform to strict electromagnetic compliance standards and type approval regulations of various countries, indicating our high level of technical capability. We are also actively developing various technologies such as spread spectrum diffusion systems. Icom also leads the industry in waterproof products and in particular technology for ultra-narrowband communication. This high level of technical excellence has earned us the trust and respect of users all over the world. In 1998, Icom was the first Japanese company to win a contract with the United States Department of Defense to supply the US military with transceivers. This was followed by another contract to supply radios to the US Marine Corps, proving the durability of our product was second to none. Presently, Icom is concentrating on the development of digital radio products in this arena. The first products to the market were radios that conform to the APCO Project 25 standard. Icom has also surprised the world by developing a ultra-narrowband 6.25 kHz digital protocol based on 4-level FSK FDMA technology, something that many industry experts said could not be done. Also, this 6.25 kHz Icom technology was instrumental in developing the protocol for the new DPMR 446 digital license-free standard in Europe, which has allowed the introduction of low-cost digital radios to the market. Icom's marine products are separated into two main types: marine transceivers and navigation equipment. Again, Icom's marine transceivers are industry leaders in design, functionality and performance, with the particular distinction of having won the National Marine Electronics Association's Transceiver of the Year award for 6 consecutive years. The awards are still continuing to come in for a number of categories at this prestigious event and similar marine events and organizations around the world. Furthermore, Icom makes products that are compliant with the Global Maritime Distress and Safety System and the strict MED directive for Europe. All of these accomplishments are a result of the unmistakable Icom reliability for waterproofing, functionality, durability and value that are Icom Marine products' core strengths. In the era when analog was still the main in amateur radio, Icom was forging ahead with digitalization. Icom brought world firsts such as the digital PLL synthesizer and custom LSI devices into existence. This technological leadership continues to this day with the development of digital signal processors and digital direct synthesizers, which are yet to be matched by others in the amateur market. Icom has also taken the lead in developing and putting to market products conforming to the D-Star Digital Amateur Radio Standard. Icom currently has transceivers, repeaters and antennas available to make D-Star the standard for digital amateur radio the world over. By bringing the dreams of amateur users to life with the latest technology, there is likely not an amateur radio operator on the planet that does not know the Icom brand name. The loyalty and devotion to Icom and our products by these often highly technical people is something Icom is proud of and humbly takes to heart. What is the secret to Icom's continual technological advances, high quality and advanced product development? The key is our engineering and technical department. There are over 250 engineers in Icom today. Through friendly rivalry and the will to develop even better technology, new ideas unique to Icom are born and made into reality. The next secret in the Icom success formula is our production division. Running against the trend of shifting production to low-cost labor manufacturing locations outside of Japan, Icom is a unique example of a Japanese manufacturer keeping 100% of its production at home. This production base is called Wakayama Icom Incorporated. This ultra-modern factory currently has 9 PCB mounting lines, 8 final assembly lines and 300 expert workers that can output 110,000 units a month. Wakayama Icom utilizes computer automation everywhere possible and employs a unique conveyor belt stop system to obtain continuous improvement in efficiency and productivity. This highly efficient system is so good that it negates the only demerit of production in Japan, namely high labor costs. As for the merits of a Made in Japan policy, these are numerous. First of all, by doing all steps from development to prototype to production in Japan, Icom can utilize and implement the latest technological advances available at the time to the product concerned. Secondly, all processes can be strictly monitored and maintained to the highest standards of quality control. Icom can utilize the vast export and distribution infrastructure that built Japan Inc. to supply our products anywhere in the world or in Japan with the utmost efficiency. We can also utilize the highly skilled talent pool available in Japan for all facets of the business. These are just a few of the examples of the benefits Icom has by producing in Japan. Icom Incorporated's head office is located in Osaka, Japan's second largest city. There are approximately 570 employees in Icom Incorporated, with a total of nearly 1,000 employees in the group. Listed on the first section of the Tokyo and Osaka stock exchanges, Icom in recent years has featured in the top 50 ranking of all listed companies in terms of financial stability. Icom is a global company with over 80% of our revenue coming from export markets. A breakdown of Icom's sales shows that 41% goes to North America, 17% each to Europe and Asia, and 18% sold in Japan. Icom has wholly owned subsidiary companies in the United States, Germany, Spain, Australia and Taiwan, liaison offices in France and China, and of course, branches throughout Japan. Then we have our affiliate distributors in almost every country on Earth, making us truly a global brand. Icom also is an ISO 9001 accredited company, conforming to the required international standards for quality control management. This attention to maintaining the highest quality control within our organization is reflected in the total quality of our products. Icom has not forgotten its corporate responsibility towards the environment and have in place systems and procedures in the engineering, technical and sales divisions to ensure we meet these requirements. The result is that Icom was accredited an ISO 14001 acquired company by SGS in June 2003. We are also in line to be compliant with the RoHS and WEEE directives in Europe. As we have explained, Icom Incorporated has forged a history of technical advancement and excellence based on original ideas and product development. The migration to digital wireless communication has already begun in many industries, not just the transceiver industry. Icom will continue to take the lead in digital development in both the amateur and land mobile fields, and where necessary, apply this know-how to other fields as the market and future dictates. Also, we will not forget our roots, namely the cultivation of technology based on high-frequency know-how, and continue to move ahead in the development of even better wireless LAN and IP telephone products. Over a 40-year period, the Icom brand name has been synonymous with amateur radio, land mobile radio, marine radio, communications receivers, airband radio, wireless LAN and IP telephone products in Japan and around the world. We will continue to increase our brand image and grow into other areas of expertise related to wireless communication. Many hurdles and successes still await Icom in the future, but we will continue forward with the passion to provide the best products the world demands. In this respect, Icom's challenge continues